What's up, guys? We are back with another vlog today. We are at my grandma's house. I'm gonna be cutting her lawn. Alright, so I just finished the front and then I'm gonna start on the back. So I'm gonna set up a time lapse and we'll get started. Alright, so I just did the outline of the yard and now we have all this cut. Now it's just for that thick stuff. Look at that thick stuff.
Go after Judas. Jesus Christ, if I live life on my knees, ain't no need to do this. Park it in front of Lunas, next to the church is chicken. All you pussies that loses, all my niggas is winning, screaming all my life. I want money and power, respect my mind, or die from less shot. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Wifey, girlfriend, and mistress. All my life I want money and power, respect my mind, no die from less shower. I got 25 lighter on my dresser, yes sir, put fire to that ass, body cast on a stretcher, and her body got that ass that a ruler couldn't measure, and it make me come fast, but I never get embarrassed, and I recognize you have what I've been wanting since that record, that Adina Howard had, pop it fast to impress her, she rolling, I'm holding my scrotum, imposing, this voice here is golden, so fuck y'all, I goes in, and all my life I want money and power, respect my mind, or die from less shout. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I got bitches. Damn,
We just finished the lawn, as you can see. Had to do a double cut up at the front here because it was extra long. That's where like the dog pees and stuff. Just carrying the bag back, and then talk to grandma and grandpa for a little bit, and then we out of here, and then we're gonna do something else tonight. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna pick up Haley and we're gonna do something, maybe hang out. She doesn't get off of work till 9:30. So yeah, I'll catch you later. Peace out. All right, heading home now. Just talked to grandma and grandpa for a little bit. It's about 6:15 right now, so I'm gonna head home. We're gonna eat a little bit. I'm gonna probably pick up Haley after work, and then yeah, we'll probably do something fun. I kind of want to go like bowling or something. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe we'll go bowling tonight. I don't know what time they're open till, but Haley might be kind of tired, so I don't know how she'll feel about that. But yeah, so I think my brother brought his little pup over. She's about 1 year old now. I think today's her birthday. So maybe I might take Ginger and Ember out on a little walk, and then we'll have some fun that way. Maybe we'll go to the park. They love going on walks and they love playing with each other, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera in a little bit and we'll keep going again. So it's about 7:30 now, and I got kind of bored, so I decided I'm gonna clear up my headlights. For some reason, my headlights, they always get pretty foggy. So I found this stuff. It's McGuire's Plastics, and it basically, you just put on a few coats and it'll clear up your headlights. And then, I mean, you could put some, they have some spray that you put on it afterwards. I never bought that just because I didn't really feel a need for it. But yeah, so you put the spray on it afterwards, and then it kind of seals it. But I never really had any problems with this stuff. You'll usually need to put another coat of it on every couple months, which isn't really a big deal for me. I think this thing was like $6 or something. So all you'll need is just some gloves, the plastics, an old rag you don't care about, and then I have just some soapy water and just a microfiber towel, and yeah, we'll get started. So as you can see, my headlights are kind of foggy. They're not bad. This one's a little bit worse. You can see this line right here. But yeah, we're gonna get rid of that. So first, you're just gonna wanna spray the headlight with your water, and as you see already, it's starting to clear up, but it'll go away after a while. And you're just gonna wanna spray both of them. There's actually a little, oh, never mind, I thought that was a crack. So then you wanna take the microfiber towel, dry her off. You want to do the other one. And just make sure it's pretty dry. So yeah, you want to shake it up. And then fold it into like a square. By the way, don't get this on your car paint because it says it can take it off. You just want to squirt some on there. And I just got it on my car paint. And then you're just gonna rub it on. And as you can see, it's already starting to get pretty good. And if you do get it on your car paint, I recommend just spraying some on there and then wiping it off right away. Then you want to put another coat on there. And then just rub her on again. And this way is a lot easier than just sanding it down, which could take a few hours. You got to go through multiple grits of sandpaper. If I have to do this once or twice every few months, it's not a big deal. And it'll condition your plastic so it lasts longer. And yeah, look at that difference. That is so much better than before. So then you're just going to want to repeat the step. For the other headlight, we already rinsed it down, so that's okay. And you're just going to want to rub it on. And once it gets dry, wipe off the extra and then repeat it again. And if you get any on your paint, I recommend wiping it off as soon as you can. I got a little bit right here. I'll wipe that off with some soapy water. Honestly, I've had that soapy water in there for a while, so I don't know what kind it is. It's probably Dawn. And then you're gonna want to use the dry side and wipe off the extra. voila. You got crystal clear headlights in under 5 minutes. Beautiful. All right. If you guys stay tuned, this is going to be our... If you guys stay tuned in the upcoming vlogs, we're going to be putting the fish in here pretty soon. We have 2 kois and a ton of goldfish. We're going to be getting some more koi pretty soon. This is my dad's compost bin. But yeah, I've been working on this pond for the past few months. I just finished mulching like a few weeks ago, and we got some more rock. I still need to get some more pebbles and fill in all the cracks and stuff. But that's not necessary right now. Yeah, the algae is getting in there. I just put the plants in the other day. This one's not doing so hot. We might just have to get new plants. I think I put them in here too early, and it got too cold. There's like little worms in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's weird. That's really weird. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog right now. I don't really have too much planned. Haley's pretty tired, so we probably won't do much today. We'll probably just hang out. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you stay tuned for more vlogs. I'm gonna be doing a 40-day vlogging challenge where I continuously vlog every day for 40 days. This is gonna be the second vlog. We have new merch coming out pretty soon. We got a few new designs that I have planned. If you buy our merch, we donate 10% to ocean restoration. So it's not only helping us out, but it's also helping all ocean life. And specifically right now we're doing coral. So we're doing the Coral Restoration Foundation. So that's all the money we're going to be donating. So far we donated probably about, I think, $15 now. So not a lot, but I hope to increase that amount pretty soon. And I think I'm going to be matching the amount we donate every month for the next few months at least, because that's something I'm really passionate about. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe and consider getting some of that merch. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living